that was really cool. That was really cool, right? Um, like peace, and grand rising, YouTube, peace, love, and light, grand rising, plasma water rising, 20 water rising, 20 grand rising. Six, of course, man. We can't forget Sigma Rho rising. Yeah, it's all the monthly energies and Sigma Rho rising. Hold on a second. Yeah. Damn. I really forgot what I was gonna say. But what was I saying just now? Right. Man, today I'm just gonna I don't know. All I'm thinking about today is really just focus on I don't know. I'll just focus on my life a little bit. Do some astral work in my life. Do some work in the higher realms of my life. Cause I need my lower self to rest. Most definitely today I don't. Today I said everything. I think this is one video. I think today I just said everything I really have to say. For today already, and yeah, like I'm just gonna rest. Like I'm not gonna show my hand. I'm just gonna rest because my body is just. I need it. I need to rest, man. But one thing still is that is like when I rest, like be complete. When I rest, or not even this is even fuck all that. When I am resting, I think I said the same exact thing, but for some reason it felt right. When I am resting, I rest complete. So all superpositions already been explored already. You know what I mean? At least for that moment, the superposition is already explored. Like every possible thing. That way when I go to sleep, I don't have any regrets. I don't have no regrets. So when you outside and you in that battle frame, or you in that, you in that avatar, you know what I mean? You really be in that avatar, like you working your avatar when you in that state. Or not even state, but when you in that mode, or genre, then you know what I mean? Like your higher self lets you know that like you still want this, you still want that. So and the key is to speak that. If you still want that, speak that. And that's what I'm saying. Like, you know what I mean? Like if I have gone outside for one time, for a single instance, if I had gone outside, I'm gonna really just make the most of it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna make the most of it. And I'm not even talking about appearance. You know what I mean? Like screw appearance. Talking about, even though you need appearance, even though it's important, appearance is sharp. Being sharp is it's important. Que sera sera. But either way, I'm still exhausting it. You know what I mean? All the possibility. I'm still exhausted. I'm still using every single one of my ammos, my grappling hook. You know, my batarang. I'm using all of it. I'm using all of it. I'm using all the superpositions. Because that's what we are. We are superpositions. We're generals. So figure out what area of your life you want superposition to happen in, so that way you know you always saying the right things. You know, always saying the right things. And superposition is 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 just all it is just the probability of being who you is already. So there's strings and lines everywhere. There's waves and pulses everywhere, right? So now I just gave you a formula for predicting the future. There's strings and lines, or really guiding your future. There's strings and lines everywhere. There's waves, pulses everywhere. There's pilots everywhere. Work your superposition. That's it.